A story when what is this? A story when I have during the earthquake. When I during the earthquake. During the earthquake, I was just there doing my live stream. Yeah, and then I'm just doing the live stream, and then I've done my makeup because I've done my makeup because um I I supposed to go, right? And then after what is this? After that, then I got my live stream, and it's shaking. Is it what what is this? And then it is like, yeah, earthquake, really, like dug dug like that. And then after I get up